Today we will look at a tricky form of conversions, namely conversions of time. What makes time different from all the rest of the conversions is the fact that the units are made up out of 60 smaller units in the case of minutes and hours and 24 smaller units in the case of a day. We also know there are 7 days in 1 week. We have to remember all of this when we convert time. It is a good idea to write these conversions down when you start a test or exam so you remember to use them. Converting time into the same units will help you solve questions about time that has passed. We're going to do a couple of examples together. Convert the following measurement of time into the given units: 72 hours into days. For this question, we have to use the fact that 1 day has 24 hours. This means that we have to divide 72 hours by 24 to get to the number of days. The answer is 3 days. Convert the following measurement of time into the given units: 82 hours into days. The same principle applies to this question. We divide 82 hours by 24 to get to the number of days. The answer is 3,416 recurring days. This time, the answer is a decimal. The question only asks for days, so we have our final answer. Always round off to the correct number of decimals if indicated by the question. Convert the following measurement of time into the given units: 260 minutes into hours and minutes. For this question, it is important to remember that 1 hour contains 60 minutes. This means that we must divide the number of minutes by 60 in order to find the answer. The answer is 4,3 recurring hours. Do you think that this is the final answer to the question? Not really, because the question asks for the answer in hours and minutes. One way to do this is to find the difference between 4 hours and 260 minutes. 4 hours is equal to 4 times 60 minutes. 260 minus 240 is 20 minutes. This means that 260 minutes is equal to 4 hours and 20 minutes. Can you think of a way to check this? Earlier, we saw that 260 minutes is the same as 4,3 recurring hours. So, it's possible to check the number of minutes by multiplying 3 recurring by 60 minutes. The answer is 19,98 when rounded off to 20 minutes. So, we can confirm that 260 minutes is 4 hours and 20 minutes. I hope you enjoyed the lesson, grade 11s, and that you learned a lot today. Remember to try the task video at the end of this section. You'll also be able to learn more about measurement on our website, www.mindset.co.za/learn. Thank you for joining us, grade 11s. Goodbye.